Welcome everybody. First thing we're going to look at today is a DIY oil lamp kit. Turn any mason jar into a beautiful outdoor oil lamp. And we're going to look at some Citronella high premium grade US made citronella oil from Housewise, which is an excellent product as well. But this kit that comes for the average mason jar, the smaller lid size, is really well made. It has snuffer caps with a ball chain for each one, so you don't have to worry about losing them. You can attach them right to the lid, and they'll stay put. And the lid and the wick guide are all high quality stainless steel. And you just push these wick guides down in the lids. They are a very snug fit, but they're nicely made so that when you put this together, they stay together. Now, one of the things they do recommend when you handle these wicks is to wear rubber gloves, and I really wish I had heeded that advice, because now I've got the itchies on my hands, because these are a fiberglass wick. They're meant to last for a long period of time. So do heed their warning and do wear the rubber gloves for this, because you'll be happy you did. And you're just going to get these stuffed in there. Now, on these particular jars that I have, the wicks are a little long, so I have to put a little kink down in the bottom of them so that they'll take a bend when they go in the jar to get the whole length in there, because you don't want to give up the length, because that's going to be life, right? Because you can always extend this wick up as you need it, as it gets consumed. But I got to say, they are very slow to consume the wick on these, and they do a great job of burning the oil. Now, let's get some oil in this guy and see what they look like lit up. Again, this is a citronella oil. It's US made. It's from Housewise. It is great at keeping pests away during the summer, and this lamp is a great choice for a tabletop or just atmospheric lighting around your outdoor setting. And you just get this stuff poured in the mason jar. You've got to get through the seal first to get it open. And just dump it right in there. Look how beautifully clear this stuff is. It's got a really nice smell. If you like citronella, you're going to love this oil. It's really good stuff. And next thing we got to do is get this lid on there. And then you want to wait a little bit for the oil to wick up into the wick itself. It doesn't take very long. And then you can get her going. This guy burns like nobody's business. I do have a little bit too much wick exposed on this guy. It is burning pretty quickly. And on the other ones, I did shrink that down a little bit to get a little bit more controlled burn. But we are going to take these outside and see what they look like in a night burn. But I want to go through the kit. You do get enough for 4 lamps. So the 2 that I've already shown assembled, and here's another set of 2 that haven't been assembled yet. So in the kit, you get 4 complete kits to make 4 jars. The jars are not included. You'll have to provide your own ball jars. The combination of this Housewise citronella torch fuel and some very simple basic Tiki lamps made with mason jars just make an absolutely wonderful outdoor effect. Pick some up today. You won't be sorry. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.